Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start an undergarment business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start an undergarment business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. Consider starting your own lingerie business if you enjoy nothing more than arranging drifts of soft underwear, delicate brassieres, and silken nightgowns into appealing displays for customers. According to the mindbranch.com online report summary, U.S. market for women's intimate apparel, lingerie emerged as a lucrative specialty retail sector beginning in the 1980s. According to IBISworld.com, the industry generated $11 billion in revenue in 2009. 1. Investigate the local competition. Visit local shopping malls to look for existing lingerie stores, including large corporate lingerie retailers. Examine inventory levels, pricing scales, and potential niches. Maternity bras, plus-size bras, and mastectomy bras are just a few examples of lingerie categories that may have slipped under your competitors' radar. 2. Submit an application for permits. To start your lingerie business, you will need a business license, a tax identification number, and a retailer's license. You may also need special permits if you sell lingerie to out-of-state customers at trade shows, flea markets, or online. Get liability insurance. Point 3. Stock up on supplies. Purchase lingerie inventory through wholesalers, private label designers, and manufacturers. Purchase a variety of sizes and lingerie items to cater to a wide range of customer tastes in both conservative and racy lingerie. Include any other retail items, such as stockings, slippers, and novelty items suitable for bachelorette parties or bridal shower gifts. Consider silk boxers or robes for men. 4. Promote your company by asking customers to sign up for your online newsletter as they make purchases. Notifications of upcoming sales, photos of the latest trends, or customer loyalty program incentives should be sent. As a way to market your superior customer service, provide free bra sizing, lingerie consulting, or trousseau packages to customers. Other marketing ideas include direct mail catalogs and lingerie parties. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start an undergarment business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.